morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Matcha and I just got home from a walk. About to start putting on some makeup for the day before I go to class. But we're gonna light a candle. It's May 1st, you guys. I'm so happy. I love spring. I went in with this glow screen from Supergoop. This one's my favorite shade. It's called Golden Hour. I like it because I feel like it almost gives me more of like a bronzy tan look while also giving me that SPF 40 sun protection. This is my favorite brand. It's from the brand Linea, and the specific scent, oh my gosh. It's popping. It's talking to us this morning. This is the vintage scent. Would highly recommend. It smells like how I want my future home to smell. Today's been a pretty productive morning, I must say. I woke up, did my journaling for the day, obviously made my bed. Also, guys, I got a sloth. I named him Simon, courtesy of my boyfriend. Simon is actually supposed to be put in the microwave, and he smells like lavender. And he's perfect right now because I am on my period. Yeah, my boyfriend is an angel. He Amazon Primed it to my house because he knew I was having a really crappy week with pain in my uterus. Anyways, today's gonna be such a good day. I have a couple errands I need to run. Mother's Day is coming up, which is so fun. I wrote on my calendar everything that's going on this month, and I kid you not, every single day is full. Every single day has something planned on it. Like, for example, today I have a photo shoot with my friend Trace. Tomorrow I'm hosting a game night with 8 of my friends. Lots of food, drinks, fun games. I'm so hyped. Also, I think I want to bake a cake because my friend Luke is gonna be going to Taiwan and doing like this internship there. Straight from Taiwan all summer, he's gonna go to the UK and study. So I won't see him until next spring when we graduate. So I kind of want to throw like a little going away party too, since he'll be there. Saturday, I'm babysitting this little boy. Sunday, I am teaching mat Pilates. Also, I'm teaching mat Pilates on Friday. Monday, I have my finance and supply chain management final exam. Tuesday, I'm teaching bar, and I'm having the Falkenbergs over, which is this really sweet older couple that bred my dog Matcha. I still keep in contact with them, hang out with them. Wednesday, I'm going out to dinner with 3 of my girlfriends. Thursday, my other friend is having her 21st birthday. Friday, that might actually be my only day off, Friday, next Friday. And then Saturday, I leave for Texas. So every single day is busy. I'm trying to wrap my head around this because it's a lot to take in, but, and then the rest of the month, we're not even gonna get into that because it's full of trips. And I think it'll be more fun if you guys are just surprised and you get to see what I'm doing on those trips versus me just like telling you throughout every single day of the month. So I decided I'm gonna leave a little bit earlier than I normally do for class because yesterday my friend texted me and said that she had a pretty crappy day. I think she took one of her final exams and it didn't go as well as she expected. So I figured I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, put together a little gift, maybe like chocolates, a bouquet of flowers, and then get her a little card or something because I'm gonna see her actually in my class today. So that's the plan. I also have this huge package, like this humongous box, I'll show you guys in a sec, that I'm gonna ship out to my parents. Even though I'm going home in 10 days, or 9 days now, I guess, there's a bunch of coffee beans, and I'm not gonna have any room in my suitcase, so I'm just gonna ship out the package beforehand. But my dad is this huge coffee connoisseur, and I know he loves his coffee beans, so I have a ton from one of my favorite coffee shops here in Boise called Form and Function. And y'all, just look at how big this package is. I think this is probably gonna cost me over 30 bucks to ship, just this, and it's kind of heavy, but it's worth it. I love my parents. I will do anything for them. It's so hard to believe that this is my second to last day of school, of normal classes. Tomorrow's Friday. I only have human resource management tomorrow. It's just so weird. Oh gosh, I'm gonna be a senior after next Monday when I'm done with finals. I swear they put crack in this song. It's so good. We're at Trader Joe's. Let's go see what kind of flowers they have. Okay, I just got out of Trader Joe's. I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul in case you couldn't see. And then I knocked over the JoJo's cookies. It was just a whole thing. Basically, how cute is this little, like, I'm sorry, what? Yeah, I saw these on the window and it has like a flat top bottom. My friend could just keep this bag in her car, use it whenever she goes to Trader Joe's. Okay, so first, got her some flowers. Oh, crud. Hopefully these stay fresh by the end of the day. And I got her a little card, which I'm gonna write a quick note in. Then I got her some gluten-free JoJo's because she's gluten-free. And these are just the best cookies ever. They're way better than Oreos. And then I'll probably pick her up a little Starbucks drink so she can sip on that during class. My gosh, I'm sweating. Question, have y'all ever cut your tongue while like licking an envelope? Because I have this vivid memory of me cutting my tongue when I was like 9 years old and writing thank you letters after Christmas. And it was terrifying. Okay. Card is written. Let's go. It's hot in here. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. We're very, very close to the car. But it's not me. It's not on me, guys. Look, they're the ones on the line. We'll take our next month's rent and throw it on the line. Stay, there's nasty weather. I think we'll grab our kites and throw them in the sky. Y'all, oh, boyfriend. Oh my gosh. His hair needs to go up. I don't know why I choose to wear sweatshirts on days when it's very hot. Also, this camera's crooked. Let's fix this. Everybody that comes over to my house always thinks that this is a real croissant. I think my lunch wins for the best lunch of the week. This is gnocchi with chicken, shredded cheese, and shiitake mushrooms. Yeah. I'm washing the other half of the blanket, so that's why the couch looks like this. Class was really good today. It was kind of sad because it was my last one with one of my favorite professors. I think I've talked about her before on my channel, but she's like the cutest human being. Very petite, is always dressed to the nines, and has this little bob haircut. So like when she moves, the hair moves with her. So I'm gonna miss her a lot. What else do I have going on today? Oh, I have that photo shoot that I was talking about earlier. So my friend Trace sent over a color palette. I think there's like 6 different colors of neutral pastels. I'm gonna go scope out my closet later and see if I have anything that fits that color palette. I titled my broadcast channel Condos with Caro, and this is the message that I sent out today. I ended up getting McKenna a Starbucks drink, but I got her the order of what I put as #1 in this message, which is the lavender oat milk latte. If y'all have not tried this from Starbucks, please just go right now, plug the nearest one into your phone and order it. It was so good. I've been sleeping under a rock, apparently. I said, if I were to see a show on Broadway and surprise my boyfriend, which one should I take him to in New York? And the reason why I said this is because he and I are gonna be going on like a couple's trip to New York this summer, which I'm so freaking excited about. If any of you guys are in long distance relationships, you would know that anytime you can get away and like just spend one-on-one time with the person that you love, it is so nice. Yeah, we've been talking about New York pretty much since the beginning of us first starting to date. So this is gonna be really exciting. I also just finished watching Hamilton for the first time. I was one of those people that was really against it. Sorry, Macha's going Cujo over there. I just didn't want to hop on the trend and be like with everyone else. So I was very late to the trend, like 4 or 5 years, maybe even more late. And Hamilton is so good, you guys. I think I may need to see it on Broadway. It's only fitting. Plus I need to edit and I'm craving a poppy right now, so we're going with cherry cola. Yeah, that's good. I've been editing on the couch for the last 3 hours and I'm about to close my laptop. It's 5 p.m., which means it's feeding time for the child. And I always, this is like my favorite, this is my favorite part of the day because he's been so antsy. Last 3 hours, he's been climbing all on me because he wants his FOOD. Look at this, ready? He's already, watch this, ready? What you doing? You want your food? Do you want your food? Okay, we'll get your food. Stay. Cookie. Okay.
Yeah, go right there and then look this way.
Friday. It's 8:20 in the morning and it's already this beautiful and bright out, if you can believe it. I'm teaching a 9 a.m. mat Pilates class this morning. I don't typically teach a lot of morning classes. I'm usually like a 4:30 to 5:15 and then a 5:30 to 6:15 shift kind of girl in the evening. When it's this time of the year, I would totally do mornings all the time. So I might actually have to talk to my manager and ask if next semester I can do that. And then once it hits like winter and you know, it's not light in the morning, then I'll probably go back to the evening shifts. But yeah, I have had the most peaceful morning. Actually, it wasn't so peaceful because y'all should have heard me in the garage. Matcha's playpen has been here for like 3 months. I set it up, got it from Amazon, and it's been really great for him. But what's not been great is how big the box is and how there's literal staples in it. So it's not like just tape where I can cut through it. It's literal staples, and it was just really hard to break down. So for the last 3 months, I have been avoiding breaking it down. And this morning I was like, you know what? I'm having people over today. If someone goes into my garage, I don't want them to see this big box. So I was jumping on the box, literally taking my flip-flop and like whacking it with my foot. And luckily I didn't cut my foot at all. I didn't get hurt, but that box was freaking huge. I'll have to show you guys what my recycle bin looks like right now because she's full to the brim. Other than that, it's been really peaceful. I just had a little bit of breakfast because if I don't eat before I work out, it's just not a good look. And it was the classic Caro breakfast. Matcha and I chilled out on the couch for a bit. I did my journaling this morning. Today's gonna be a really, really busy day. It's gonna be a good busy though. So right after I teach, I have to go to human resource management class. This is my last class ever as a junior. I'm so hyped about this. Then right after that, I have to rush home. I have a brand deal call. I'm really proud of these brand deals because one, they just feel more mature, but also I'm just always excited to film tech content because I do so much stuff with tech. I'm gonna go probably get a car wash today. So I have to go pick up my friend from the dorm because he doesn't have a car. He's gonna be going to game night tonight. All the other girls, all the other guys are gonna be showing up to my house. I do need to make a run to get some alcohol and some food for tonight as well. So it's a busy day, but I'll take you guys with me and
we took Caroline to my Pilates class and now we're getting Starbucks.
Are these your friends that go to Oregon too?
Yeah, 4 of them go to Oregon. That's Lex, and then this is Paige. She goes to New York Film Academy, but in Burbank. So
I got an iced lavender oat milk latte, but with almond milk and 2 pumps of vanilla instead of 3.
guys, I love spring.
Class went really well today. It's crazy to think that I'm completely finished now. We just did like a Jeopardy review thing. Some of my professors and teachers were teaching new material during Dead Week, which I don't think you're really supposed to do. But this teacher, the one that I just had, did a full review session. So I definitely feel a lot more prepared for the final exam next week. After this, I think I'm gonna tidy up some things around the house and then make a run to Target. There's a couple things that I wanna pick up. I think I'm gonna place an order online here. That way I don't have to waste time and go in the store. There's just a whole lot of moving pieces today. I'm really excited to host game night, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little stressed. Hi, how are you? Just your basic one. Yeah, it's like a game night with some friends, so.
And does your dog want a treat at all?
Honestly, sure. Thank you.
Matcha, you're making a mess.
I just came from Target and picked up my to-go order. I have to show y'all what I got. Even though I already have so many games at home, I got a fun new one at Target. So I'll have to show you guys. It's called Buzz. It says, warning, this drinking game gets you and your friends hydrated. It's one of those like fun little card games. So we'll see if I like that. I also got a bottle of lime juice because I feel like you can make really yummy cocktails. reminds me of the one in my hometown called Pure Wash, and it's so colorful. Who doesn't love colorful car washes?
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try?